all of you for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, today's class is going to be very fantastic. Okay, why? Because I am going to tell you today about a topic which is very important. And what is the topic? How to give a speech in an easy way. Okay, I am just repeating. How to give a speech in an easy way. Okay, so I will tell you each and everything about this topic. What you need to do, you need to watch this video till the end. Okay, and don't skip the video. Suppose you are going to deliver any speech. Okay, so this video is only for you. Even in English, if you are going to deliver any speech in English, so this video is for you. Okay, so before giving any speech, you need to keep three things in your mind. Before giving any speech, you need to keep three things in your mind. First of all, the topic of the speech must be person, place or a thing. Okay, first of all, you need to remember the topic which is given to you. The topic which is given to you, it must be among person, place or a thing. Okay, and when you start giving your speech, okay, when you start giving your speech, if the topic is about person, so person must be like your father, your mother, the Prime Minister of India, the President of India, okay, the collector of your city, okay, your favorite actor, actress, like this. Okay, so these are the some subjects of speech that I just told you. Okay, about a person. Okay, if we talk about place, so place must be what? Your city, your country, okay, your coaching center, okay, your house, okay, like this. And if I tell you about thing, so what should be the topic of thing? Like marker, like mobile, okay, like these are things. Okay, so first of all, I explain you what must be the topic, person, place or a thing. Now, if you are given a topic, so how will you express yourself? It means how will you deliver that speech? One more thing, you need to remember, first of all, if you are given a topic about a person, so what you should speak? Basic information about that person. First of all, you should speak basic information about that person, like his name, his qualification, his belonging, okay, all these things, like basic information. Then you should speak quality of that guy. Okay, you should speak quality of this, yeah, that guy. Okay, if I tell you same thing with place, basic information and qualities, and same thing with thing, basic information and quality. Okay, so you need to remember all these things. Now I am telling you, suppose I am given a speech about the Prime Minister of India. So how I will tell? I am telling you, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is the Prime Minister of India, and he is the 16th Prime Minister of India. Okay, before the Prime Minister, he used to be the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and he also belongs to Gujarat. Okay, and in his childhood, he was a tea vendor. Okay, and if I tell you about the Prime Minister of India, so I can tell you a lot of qualities about him. Okay, second point is quality. So I can speak like this. He is very courageous. Why? Because he has no fear to take hard decision. Like we have seen that he has taken very hard decision in his life. Okay, previous prime ministers, like former prime ministers could not take the decision that Mr. Narendra Modi took. You know about the Jammu and Kashmir. So it was the most difficult decision in India, which was taken by Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Okay, our honorable prime minister. Okay, so he is very courageous person. Next is he is very affable. It means he is very familiar. Okay, whenever he delivers his speech, so he just impress he just impresses to the public. Okay, like he is a good public speaker. It is also a quality. Okay, and he is also a religious person. He is also a religious person because he believes in God. So like this you can speak about Mr. Modi, like the Prime Minister of India. Okay, so topic must be the Prime Minister, the President, your father, your mother, anybody. Okay, now second point, place. So you can also speak about place. So you can also speak about any place. Okay, like if you are given a topic, tell me about India. If you are given a topic, tell me about India. So you can speak very easy way. Like India is the second largest country. India is the second largest country in term of population. Okay, and India is the second. Yeah, it is. It is the seventh. It is the seventh largest country in term of area. Okay, and India's capital is New Delhi. India's capital is New Delhi. Okay, India's national game is hockey. Okay, and India's national flower is lotus. Like you can speak about India. Okay, like India is a place, so you can deliver a speech very easily. If you want to speak about anything, so think, as I told you, think like I have a marker. So marker is a thing, and I am to speak about this marker. I am to deliver a speech on this marker. Then very easy. First of all, I will tell you this marker is for whiteboard. This marker is for whiteboard. Okay, and its company is what? Camlin. Its company is Camlin, and Camlin is very famous company in stationery. Okay, it is very useful for the teachers. It is very useful for the teachers because they write with it. Okay, so you can speak like this. So I want to tell you, giving a speech is not a rocket science. It is actually it is an easy task. Okay, so if you practice, so you can speak on any topic. Okay, but what you need? Practice, because practice makes a man or woman perfect. Okay, I hope you must have understood all these things. Okay, so that's it for today. Jai Hind.